Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 15.6-inch laptop. This laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor. Some information, or rather specifications, are mentioned on this side of the box. It says, once again, AMD Ryzen 5600H 3.3 GHz processor powers this laptop. It also comes with 512 GB of SSD storage, 8 GB of RAM. It also has a graphics card, which is the NVIDIA GTX 1650, and it has a display of 15.6-inch FHD IPS. Let's open this box and show you what the laptop looks like. First up, we have a power adapter. This is the charging adapter for this laptop. This is a 135-watt charging adapter, and you also have a power cable for the same. There seems to be some peripherals in this packet over here. Let me quickly show you what they are. Right, these are basically extension for the components inside. Mostly if you are going to install more SSD or RAM, you will need these cables and these brackets basically. So a lot of peripherals here. Do we have any documents? I'll quickly take a look if there are any documents, at least not from here, but let's show you the laptop now. So we have some documents here. This is a restriction of distribution notice from Lenovo. This is safety information, product information, basically warranty information from Lenovo. And this is the setup guide for the Ideapad Gaming 3i and 3. Very important documents, you should not lose them. Time to take a look at the laptop. Here you go, this is what the Ideapad Gaming 3 15.6-inch laptop looks like. The variant is Shadow Black. We have some ports on each side. So on this side you have two USB-A port and 3.5mm port, and on this side you have a lot of ports. Actually, this is a USB, this is the power port, this is a LAN port, HDMI port, and a USB-C type port. Also there's a vent over here. There are a lot of vents underneath as well. These are basically your cooling vents. It comes with this very unique design as well. And there are also 1 and 3 anti-slip rubber stops. Now let's take a look inside. So this is what it looks inside. Notice that this is a more or less a full keyboard. It has numpads and directional keys along with your normal WASD QWERTY keypad as well. There are no multimedia buttons, but you have these F1 to F12 buttons and also a function button. Not only that, this is the power on off button, but we'll get to that in a while. This is the trackpad, and you have some information mentioned over here that this particular laptop is powered by AMD Ryzen 5, and it also has GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. Now let's show you the display. Okay, first thing to notice is that this particular keyboard comes with backlit LED lights. That's a great addition. You can control it by pressing the function key and the spacebar key. The 3 brightness settings, you can cycle it by pressing the function key and the spacebar key, the way I'm doing it right now. And there you go, this is what the 15.6-inch FHD IPS display looks like. This particular display also comes with thin bezels and 120 Hz of refresh rate. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box, containing the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 15.6-inch laptop powered by AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor. Thank you for watching.